I'm now finishing the translation of this passage, starting at the line at the word hike, which I'm just underlining here, and to go from here to the end. This thing, however, did not please the Romans. The angry senators replied to Pyrrhus that unless he removed all his forces from Italy, he could have no peace with the Romans. They also ordered that all the prisoners which Pyrrhus had given back were considered infamous because they had surrendered themselves with arms. Thus Cineas went back to Pyrrhus. When the king asked him, or sought from him literally, what sort of city Rome was, he replied that he had found it to be a land full of kings. For just as Pyrrhus was the only king in Epirus, thus, in the same way, there they all were.